Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 935 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. Before we start, you can pair this watch with an iPhone in two ways. The first way is to do it through the setup process of the watch. So basically if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the second way is to do it through the settings once the watch has been already set up, because you can set up the watch without connecting it to a phone. First I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Okay, so first thing we need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the light button on our watch. Once you see the Garmin logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on and it's brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by using the up and down buttons on your watch, up and down. Now scroll through the list, find the language you want to use, select it, and then press the start/stop button. As you can see, now we're being asked if we want to pair our watch with a phone. We want to do it, so let's select yes and press the start/stop. The watch will enter the pairing mode, that's how it looks like. And now we need to download and install the Garmin Connect application on our iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on search. Tap on the search bar and type in Garmin Connect. Scroll through the list, find the Garmin Connect app, tap on it to select it. Then tap on the get button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button. And after the app opens, you need to log in into Garmin Connect account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on create account button right here. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on sign in. Check the box, tap next. And then enter the email and password. And then we can tap on next to log in. After you log in, you may see pop-ups about the permissions. This is for the notifications. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm gonna allow it. And next, the app should detect your watch. If it doesn't, you can press the back button and re-enter the pairing mode by pressing the start button. And once you re-enter the pairing mode, the app should detect the watch automatically. Once it does, tap on the connected, then enter the pin from the watch, and tap on pair. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Now tap on next. Here we can set up the bedtime, basically the time on which you go to bed and the time you wake up. This is useful if you want to use the do not disturb mode during sleep. And to set it up, simply tap on the box under the bedtime and then box under the wake time. And basically to change it, swipe up and down on the hours, minutes, and then AM and PM. And once you're done, tap on next and tap on yes if you want to turn on the do not disturb mode, or no if you want to disable it. Here we can agree to send the training data to our new watch if you want to. I'm gonna tap on no and tap next. Right here we can allow the permission for the location. This is useful if you want to track your activities on the map and want to get the local weather data and stuff like that. If you want to use those features, tap on allow location access. If you don't care, you can tap on skip. And then we can tap on sync now. Let's tap on retry. Apparently they have a problem with the servers. I'm gonna tap on skip sync for now. Tap on OK. Dismiss. And yeah, the app doesn't want to load, but the watch is already paired with our phone because we can see it right here at the top. And if you tap on more Garmin devices, you will see it on the devices page, and we can tap on it to select it, and here we have our device. Come on. It's already here. That's the device page for it. Quite weird. Usually it looks differently. But anyway, the watch is paired with our iPhone. We can use it now also, as you can see. And that's how you pair it through the setup process. Now I'm gonna disconnect it from the iPhone, and we're gonna pair it through the settings. So let's go back. Let's go to our Bluetooth settings on our iPhone and remove it from here. Okay, and now let's pair it through the settings. To do it, we need to enter the pairing mode on our watch. So press and hold the up button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons. Select the settings option, and once you select it, press the start to enter. Here, scroll through the settings, find the option called phone. Once you find it and select it, press the start button, then scroll down, select the pair phone option and press the start button to enter the pairing mode. And once you enter the pairing mode, you can download and install the Garmin Connect application. I already have it installed, so I'm gonna open it. You will need to log in into account, and then it will detect the watch automatically. I need to tap on the plus button right here because I'm already logged in, and as you can see, it detects our watch. We can tap on connect, enter the pin from the watch, tap on pair, allow the permission or deny it, of course, then tap on next, set up the bedtime if you want to, send the data if you want to. Let's try sync now this time. This time it worked. You can tap on finish. No thanks. Got it. And the watch is right up here. We can tap on more. Garmin devices, tap on it to see the device page for it. Okay, and that's how you pair through the settings. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.